Hi guys, today I'm going to share a simple strategy on how to make $4,000 from just $150 on binary options trading. But first, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss working trading strategies. Also, visit my Telegram channel where I provide free trading signals and personally answer questions to help you earn. Are you ready? Come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. I know you can't wait to get down to business. Pay close attention to what I say and what I do. Click like and let's go! The most exciting part of my video is my strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. It is based on the use of two key indicators, the ASM oscillator and the RSI. With their help, I determine whether to open a deal or not. When moving averages intersect from bottom to top, this means a possible upward movement of the chart and vice versa. The next indicator helps to determine the general direction of movement of the chart on a large scale. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I include only two indicators, the ASM oscillator and the RSI. I leave the settings for the two indicators as standard. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is 1 minute as well, and you can start. I start with the amount of $150. It is from this amount that we will go out at $4,000. We are opening our first trade for a reduction in the amount of $150. Here is the intersection of our sliding curves down and a diagram with an active downward movement. We are watching how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and waiting for the right moment for the second one. Do you want to earn like professionals? We provide detailed signals for successful trading every day. Join our team of traders through the link in the description and increase your earnings. We put the amount of $289 on the second deal because the yield in each transaction will be amount 93%. The second deal will be in the Europe Composite Index. We analyze the situation and make a 1-minute reduction deal. There is a downward moving movement in the intersection of the sliding ones. This is how our deal is coming to an end, and we see our strategy works if we find good entry points. Our second transaction ends in a plus. Our balance is already $558. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by $558. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a short trade for 1 minute. Here again we see the intersection of the sliding ones, which gives us a signal to go down. We see a downward movement. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $1,078. We are not far from our goal of $4,000. The main thing is to repeat my strategy and analyze your trades. We increase our transaction amount by $1,078 and look for the next suitable situation. So we found the transaction we needed, open our deal for 1 minute rise and wait. Everything is simple here. We see a sharp reversal of the graph in a chart that shows a confident rise. And the deal was completed. Another successful transaction was added to my bank and the balance now is $2,081. This time we are opening a 1-minute rise deal. Here again we see the intersection of the moving average, which gives us a signal to increase. So the deal is over, the next correct deal, and again in a row we observe our balance at $4,060. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached the balance of $4,060 from just $10. All our deals were confidently and successfully worked. Good profits to you all! If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, my future crypto millionaires!